Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my lamp gallery. I made a lamp gallery and it consists of some handmade lamps and some of them are regular lamps. I have some more probably downstairs, but these were all the ones that I had upstairs. So let's take a look. This big one here is from the Dollar Tree. I bought it a while back and I never saw them again, so they must have been very popular. And as you can see, it has the little switch and you can turn it on and off. Then back there, see that one back there? That one is a perfume bottle with one of those little creamers on top as a lampshade. This one here, right there, and that one are part of the miniature collection that I have. Those I got them at the flea market. Here, this one's just a little one that I made, handmade. That's a cork, and the bottom is just the base, which I took a napkin and I wrapped it up, and I took some marker, blue marker, and colored over the cork. So that's just handmade. Then back there, that looks like a lamp. It's supposed to be a knob for a drawer or a door, but it can pass as a lamp. Then back there, see the red one? The red one is a storage container, a clear storage container, and the base is a lipstick. That's what it is. Then there's another one. The base is a lipstick, but the top is a perfume right there, the blue one. Then right here, these, the black and white, that's just file folder, which I cut to the size of the container, the clear container, and the nozzle is from coloring your hair, from those bottles. And then these two, these are salt and pepper shakers. So I took some little shot glasses and I placed them there with the little rhinestones. I used some glue for the rhinestones, and there's a straw inside holding up the lampshade. Then back there, those little ones there, those are part of my miniature collection. Back there, those two big ones there, I'm just saying they're lamps, but they're supposed to be doorknobs, fancy doorknobs, which I got at Hobby Lobby. And then back there, there's another lamp. I got that one at a thrift shop, the brown one, and the little tiny one, I think was at a yard sale. Then there's another one there. Well, they're all different ones. Some of them are handmade, some of them were the real ones. So I'm calling this the lamp gallery, and it's inside one of my dollhouses, which I haven't worked on this living room yet, but before I do, I might as well display miniatures for you. I hope you like this, and I thank you for watching.